Welcome to this lesson on statistics. Today, we are going to learn how to find normal probabilities. Specifically, we will look at how to find the probability that a value x is less than a specific number x. We will learn the method of standardizing the value and then using a table. First, let's recall what the normal distribution looks like. It is the famous bell curve shape. It is defined entirely by two numbers: the mean, or mu, which is the center, and the standard deviation, or sigma, which determines how wide the curve is. The most important rule to remember is that the total area under this entire curve is always equal to 1, representing 100% probability. When we are asked to find the probability that x is less than a specific value, written as p of x less than x, we are actually looking for an area. On the graph, this corresponds to the area under the curve to the left of that specific value. This shaded area represents the probability. Because there are infinite possibilities for means and standard deviations, we cannot have a table for every single curve. Instead, we use one common standard called the standard normal distribution, or the z-distribution. This special curve always has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. To use the standard curve, we must convert our specific x value into a standard z-score. We use this formula: z equals x minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. This tells us how many standard deviations away from the mean our value is. Let's look at an example. Suppose we have a set of test scores that are normally distributed with a mean of 50 and a standard deviation of 10. We want to find the probability that a randomly selected score is less than 35. Step 1 is to calculate the z-score. We take our value, 35, subtract the mean of 50, and divide by the standard deviation of 10. 35 minus 50 gives us negative 15. Negative 15 divided by 10 equals negative 1.5. So, our z-score is negative 1.5. Let's visualize what we just calculated. On the standard curve, where the center is 0, our value of negative 1.5 sits to the left. We are looking for the area to the left of this red line. This area represents the probability we want to find. Now, we go to the standard normal table, also known as the z-table. We look for the row corresponding to negative 1.5. Since our value is exactly negative 1.5, we look at the column for 0.00. The intersection gives us the value 0.0668. That value from the table is our answer. The area to the left of negative 1.5 is 0.0668. This means there is a 6.68% probability that a student scored less than 35 on the test. To summarize, whenever you need to find the probability that x is less than a value, remember these 3 steps. First, standardize your value to a z-score. Second, look up that z-score in the standard normal table. And third, the value you find is your probability.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.